So we're going to start with some basic proportions because this will apply to any kind of face that you draw. You can always tweak it, make it totally different, but it's good to have that foundation so you know where to start and how to change it but still make it look like it makes sense. Even if it's a cartoon, things are usually balanced. So let's get started on how to draw a face in proper proportion.
First, we'll start with a circle for the head. Then from this point, it's really all about measuring. So the next step will be to find the center and draw a vertical line up and down, then a horizontal line across. Once you have that in, we'll find the center point and draw an oval. Then the same size oval on either side. These are your eyes. So that center oval is just to make sure that they're the same distance apart and the same size. The half ovals on the side will give you an idea of how to adjust the face when we get to that point of how far your eye is to the end of your face. So next, we'll find the center between the middle eye and your chin, and this will show us where the nose is. So for this part, for all of it, you don't necessarily need a ruler. So we really want to make sure that the proportions are correct. And this goes the same for the mouth. That will be the next step. So that will be halfway between your nose and your chin. Then we'll move on to add your pupils. So we're putting those in there now to measure, to get an idea of where your mouth is going to end. And then the next line there is to figure out where your nose is going to end, where to put the nostrils. Now with most things, I like to start in the center, and that way I can make sure that it's symmetrical on either side. Next, we'll figure out the eyebrows. So these are a little bit more up to your discretion, but normally they'll go out past the eye on the outside and a little bit closer in to the nose on the inside. Now these basic proportions will work for any face, so we're going to pick up on the next video with the details.